name is Zach. I'm from Kenya, but I live in Denmark right now, Copenhagen, Denmark. I work with refugees with a small organization that works with refugees. So we try to give refugees, to fight for the rights of the refugees in Denmark. They have very limited rights, especially their rights for their children to go to school, the right for them to have proper medical care, and the right for them to live outside camps, live in normal Danish societies, and try to make a living out of their life. And I'm right here at this campaign, No Hate Speech. We are trying to build an online community where everybody can feel safe, where nobody is threatened, nobody is being a target of hate speech, whether they're lesbian, gay, black people, Muslims, whether they're refugees, whether they're black or white, so that we can all coexist on the internet as we coexist in the real world.
Hello, my name is Chris. I'm from Denmark. I'm from an organization called Socialist Youth Front of Denmark, where I'm a volunteer and I focus a lot of my efforts on anti-racism. I am here at the EYCB, or the European Youth Center in Budapest, to fight racism and help fight racism in a pan-European context. And yeah, so I believe that hate speech should be fought, and fought with democratical means. So I think it's really cool that 37 governments has gone together to start this project, and I really hope it takes off and becomes big. Oh yeah, right now we're having digital cocktail evening. You can see the guys over there. Yeah, they're doing stuff. We just had a workshop about the Onion Router, or the Tor network, and how to use PGP, pretty good privacy, to secure anonymity and privacy of bloggers, so that they don't face any either legal or political repercussions of their work. So it's pretty cool.